Experiment 3. Oxidation of menthol to menthone by PCC. In this experiment, you will carry out the oxidation of menthol using pyridinium chlorochromate to obtain menthone. To obtain pure menthone from the product mixture, column chromatography will be carried out. Oxidations are frequently used to induce simple functional group transformations in organic synthesis. For example, the conversions of alkene into 1,2-diol, of a primary or secondary alcohol into aldehyde or ketones, respectively, and of an aldehyde into a carboxylic acid. Pyridinium chlorochromate, PCC, is a commonly used oxidant for oxidizing alcohols to carbonyl compounds. .0 gram of chromium-6 chloride, 9.2 ml of 6M hydrochloric acid. Only 1/4 of the total amount of PPC listed is prepared in this video. Transfer chromium-6 oxide into a conical flask. Add hydrochloric acid into the same conical flask with stirring. Stir the mixture at room temperature until complete dissolution. .4 ml of pyridine. Cool the solution to 0 degrees Celsius. Add pyridine carefully over a period of 10 minutes. Stir the mixture well when adding pyridine. Keep the solution at 0 degrees Celsius for crystallization. Collect the crystalline solid by suction filtration. .23 gram of pyridinium chlorochromate. 3.0 gram of silica gel. Mix and grind pyridinium chlorochromate and silica gel with a pair of mortar and pestle. Transfer the solid mixture into a round-bottomed flask. .30 ml of dichloromethane. Add dichloromethane into the round-bottomed flask. .56 gram of menthol. Transfer menthol into a conical flask. Dissolve menthol in 15 ml of dichloromethane. Add the menthol solution to the PCC suspension. Spot the starting material onto a TLC plate. Spot the mixture onto a TLC plate. Stir the mixture at room temperature for 45 to 60 minutes. Spot the product onto the TLC plate after 15, 30, and 45 minutes respectively. Monitor the progress of the reaction by TLC using hexane, ethyl acetate 9:1 for the eluent. Spot the product onto the TLC plate and monitor the progress after 30 minutes. Spot the product onto the TLC plate and monitor the progress after 45 minutes. Put sealite on top of the sintered disc of a Buchner flask. Press sealite firmly onto the Buchner funnel with a glass stopper. Put silica gel on top of the sealite. Press the filtering agents firmly onto a Buchner funnel with a glass stopper. $50 ml of diethyl ether. Dilute the reaction mixture with diethyl ether. Stir the mixture gently for 10 minutes. Filter the mixture through the Buchner funnel. Remove the solvent from the filtrate by a rotary evaporator. Collect the residue. Transfer some silica gel into a beaker. Add some hexane, ethyl acetate 9:1 eluent to the silica gel. Mix them with a glass rod. Prepare a silica gel column by using eluent. Dissolve the crude product mixture in a minimum amount of eluent. Transfer the sample solution to the column carefully with a dropper. Elute the column with the eluent. Collect the eluted solution in fractions. Analyze the compositions of the fractions by TLC. Collect the fractions containing the pure desired reaction product. Weigh an empty round-bottomed flask. Transfer the collected fractions into the round-bottomed flask. Remove solvent from the collected fractions by using a rotary evaporator. Weigh the product.